Hello everyone and welcome back. If your Windows 11 storage is filling up, you don't need third-party cleaner software. Windows has built-in tools that safely remove temporary files and system clutter. In this tutorial, I will show you exactly what's safe to delete and what you should leave alone. First, let's see how much space we have. Open Settings, go to System, then select Storage. This shows your current disk usage. We'll check this again at the end to see what we have recovered. Windows creates temporary files when you install updates or run apps. Most can be safely deleted. Press Windows key plus R, type temp and press enter. These are leftover installation and cached up files. Press Ctrl plus A to select all, then delete. If Windows says a file is in use, click skip. These files are safe to remove. Windows recreates them when needed. Next, open Run again, type temp with %signs, and press enter. This is your user temp folder. Same process. Select all and delete. Skip any files in use. Now let's talk about Prefetch. You might have heard you should delete this folder to speed up Windows. That's actually a myth. Prefetch helps Windows launch your apps faster. Deleting it forces Windows to rebuild that data, which slows down boot time. Windows manages this folder automatically, so leave it alone. For deeper cleanup, use the built-in disk cleanup tool. Press the Windows key plus R and type cleanmgr and press enter. Select your C drive and then click OK. Check the boxes for temporary files, recycle bin, and delivery optimization files. These are safe fragments Windows no longer needs. Click Clean up System Files. Windows rescans and shows options like previous Windows installations. These can free several gigabytes of space. Items like the DirectX Shader Cache and Windows error reports are safe to delete, since they are just temporary files or logs that Windows can recreate if needed. Let's talk about the DirectX Shader Cache. It stores temporary files that help your system load games and 3D applications faster. Over time, this cache can become outdated or even corrupted, which may lead to stuttering, graphical glitches, or inconsistent performance. By checking this box, you're simply deleting those temporary files. This is completely safe because Windows will automatically rebuild the cache the next time you launch those applications. Just keep in mind, the first time you open a game afterward, it may take a bit longer to load, and you might notice some brief stutter while everything is rebuilt. So this is best used as a troubleshooting step, not something you need to do regularly. To automate this, enable Storage Sense. Go back to Settings, then click Storage Sense. Turn on Automatic Cleanup to empty your bin on a schedule. Here you have the option to choose when to run Storage Sense. The default is during low free disk space, but you can also set it on a daily, weekly, and monthly basis. The recycle bin defaults to 30 days, but can be set to run daily, every 14 days, every 60 days, or never. The same options are available for the Downloads folder. It contains your personal files, so you should only delete it if you're sure you no longer need anything inside. If you want to initiate a manual cleanup, click on Run Storage Sense now. Let's check our results. Back in storage settings, you can see we have safely recovered several gigabytes. Optional for desktops. If you never use sleep mode, you can disable Hibernation to reclaim space. Open Command Prompt as administrator and type powercfg/hibernate off. This cleanup is safe and requires no third-party tools. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to Libertechia for more practical Windows tutorials. Stay reachable, and I will see you in the next one.